Okay children, let us see the third problem over here. The potential energy between two atoms in a molecule is given by U of x is equals to a by x to the power of 12 minus b by x to the power of 6, given where a and b are positive constants and x is the distance between atoms. Now he is asking find the position for atom when it is or to be in stable equilibrium. The condition for x they are asking to be in a stable equilibrium. So what are they have given? Let us write. Given potential energy U of x as a by x to the power of 12 minus b by x to the power of 6, and this is your potential energy successfully given here for you. And now let us find out the condition for stable equilibrium. So condition that a body is in stable equilibrium, a body is in stable equilibrium. Already we have learned while learning the concept, body is in stable equilibrium is given by, the condition is given by, what is that? F, that is equals to minus du by dx is equals to 0. It means what you can understand from this now, differentiation of this one with respect to x and equating it to 0, we will get the value of x for which the body is in stable equilibrium. So therefore d by dx of a by x to the power of 12 minus b by x to the power of 6 is equals to 0. So thus what we can do now individually, let us see. So d by dx, anyway a is a constant, comes outside, into 1 by x to the power of 12 minus b is anyway constant, b into d by dx of 1 by x to the power of 6 is equals to 0. We can bring this x power 12 to the numerator and x power 6 also to the numerator, and we get it as a into d by dx of x to the power of minus 12 minus b into d by dx of x to the power of minus 6 is equals to 0. But we have the formula, what is that? D by dx of x to the power of n is equals to n into x to the power of n minus 1. Using this one here, let us write the equation as a into this one minus 12 into x to the power of minus 12 minus 1. It will be minus 13 whole, and minus b into minus 6 into x to the power of minus 6 minus 1. It is minus 7 is equals to 0. So sending this minus b whole term to that side, it turns to be positive, but there is one more minus here. So therefore a into minus 12 into x to the power of minus 13 is equals to b into minus 6 into x to the power of minus 7. So minus get cancel, 6 ones are, 6 twos are get cancel. So just to do one thing, send this x power minus 13 to the denominator there and b2 here. You will get it as 2a by b is equals to x to the power of minus 7 divided by x to the power of minus 13. So if this minus 13 goes to the numerator, it becomes plus. Overall this expression changes to 2a by b is equals to x to the power of minus 7 plus 13, that is 6. Therefore value of x is equal to sixth root of 2a by b, for which the object will be in stable equilibrium. Where a and b are your given positive constants. Thank you children.